Hansel couldn't be here today. He's molting. So, we brought in a special guest. You say your name? Jupiter. What kind of bird are you? Hey? Are you a macaw?
I'm a macaw, yes.
Isn't that impressive? Oh, would you like one? Okay, nicely. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Male or a female bird? What are ya? Or non-binary. Sorry.
I don't believe anyone's ever specified.
Everybody's got the same bits and bobbles. You know? Cloaca! That's what it's called. Cloaca.
Oh, I do have one of those. A fine one, I might add.
Very exciting.
Oh, cheers to that.
Huzzah! And how many words do you know?
I'd say about 200.
I nearly know 200 words myself. But in a big pen.
Please don't touch my pecker.
Oh, the eyes they pin. That says, hands off. Don't touch the bird. You know what? Thank you for using your words, Jupiter. Be an adult about it. You don't have to just bite, right?